Today we will discuss this case where the patient complained of sensitivity in this GIC filled first molar. So after anesthesia we tried to remove the GIC and we could see the secondary decay. The GIC is now completely removed and you can see the caries appearing dark. So we will apply the rubber dam now and we will start our slow speed excavation with carbide burr and hand instruments. At this point my excavation is complete and it's ready for bonding. And we'll start building the tooth incrementally. This is how the build-up looks from the buccal aspect, and this is how the tooth looks from occlusal aspect. I'm happy with the morphology. Now let's remove the rubber dam. This is how the patient looks after 2 weeks. There is no sensitivity. He is very happy. This is how before and after the case summary looks. So friends, choose a dentist who does work under magnification and isolation with rubber dam, because only these things guarantee a successful restoration.